Well, good day, Mr. Johnson.
Good morning.
I want to thank you so much for allowing us to be able to facilitate this interview this afternoon.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You know that we're going
welcome.
through a very rough time where COVID-19 is concerned. And the fact that you have allowed us to do this interview via Zoom, we're really grateful for this. Now, you will see our chairman here, Mr. Dwight Crossgale. He will be just looking into the interview. He won't be here per se, but he'll just be watching body language and just seeing how you would answer our questions today. So we really want you to feel relaxed, and we're looking forward to this interview, alright? Alright, so Mr. Johnson, during the progress of this interview, we're going to ask that you ensure your mic is left open, as well as your camera is also left open, because we want some amount of transparency while we're doing this interview. We want it to feel similar to what it would be in a regular interview setting, where we wouldn't have mics and videos and all these things, So we just want you to ensure that your mic is open while we're doing this interview. Is that okay with you?
Okay, no problem. I can leave them.
Alright, awesome. Alright, so before we go along, I want to... What's that sound? Did you hear that?
Oh my God, man. Yes, man, I heard it, man.
Yeah, man, I'm sure I heard.
Definitely sounded like a fart.
Mr. Johnson, did you...
Sir, I never hear nothing, sir.
We never heard anything?
Nothing at all, sir.
Okay, we carry on. Stuff happened. Probably I heard something, but yeah, it definitely sounded like a fart. Alright, thank you for answering those questions, Mr. Johnson. You have been progressing
Jesus Christ. No, sir. I feel call him auntie.
Sir Johnson?
Sharon. You know, so the boy... No, I get rid of the boy, I get rid of the boy out of the house. You know, so the boy use the bathroom from last night and all, flush it. Me come in and come see dude and I tell it, Sharon. Sharon, how much for you, Sharon? Sharon, this boy in the house and the boy not even work, Sharon. The boy can't even contribute to the house, Sharon.
Mr. Johnson, is everything okay?
I get rid of this boy. I feel like I raised a 40-year-old virgin. This boy in the backyard woman coming here and this long I do a daytime I play a game. This boy in the backyard, I feel like he was a lesbian. No, Sharon, I get rid of the boy.
Mommy, I'm on a very, very important call right now. You can quiet for a little bit, please.
What kind of quiet? Me know say your friend me here chat up on the phone. Come up on my phone and start bring my phone bill. You like a dirty boy.
Did you hear that?
Sorry about that, sir. Sorry about that.
Mr. Johnson, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that at all. We all have been at a place where we're at our lowest sometimes. As a company, that's why we're here, to help people who need help. We all need jobs, right? And we understand the frustrations that have come along with COVID-19 and all this pandemic.
Yes, sir.
It's been a lot. But, we really are happy to tell you that you have done well in this interview.
Yes,
amidst
sir.
everything, we are happy
Yes,
to welcome you into our company as our executive janitorial cleaner.
Mr. Johnson!